Well, today was a holiday for me, so figured I'd catch up on a project. I got the TRX4 here. And well, I wanted to put the steering on the axle. One of the main things I did it because when I swap out servos, this thing hangs down. And if I need to do any adjustment on the field, I thought it'd be way easier to just adjust right there versus when it's up. But I had to do a couple things to get it installed. And I didn't see any like videos for it. I saw one that kind of gave me the general idea. And so took out the bumper, took off the tires. There was these two plates. This one, took off this to get down to the bones. So this steering link right here, can't tell if you can tell, but it used to go across. So I took that link off. I measured it to try to match this one as well. And then I drilled a hole right in there. And then then you'll have the two links that match right there. What do I need? Does this work? Where's that screwdriver? All right, so there, this top link and this top link. So I was able to put that mount on. The mount is right here. Bulugo RC has a kind of a cool little video on how the mount goes on, but they don't show how it installs. Let's see, what else did I have to do? So I had to flip the servo, then I had to twist this to the side, and I don't know if that really makes sense in this video, but now I got it working. Now you even get more steering out of it, which is cool, but now I gotta adjust the endpoints. Not really sure how to do it on the stock. I may put it on my FlySky GT5. But for now, that's kind of how it goes. So hopefully this video helps somewhat. I know I didn't do a detail, but just thought I'd throw it out there since I haven't seen it. There's another guy who did a truck with a TRX4, kind of explains it as well. But it took me most of the day to figure out how to put it together.